Crash course on Portugal. Music and performing arts. Portugal has a vibrant music and performing arts scene that reflects the country's rich cultural heritage and artistic expression. From traditional fado music to contemporary concerts and lively festivals, Portugal offers a diverse range of experiences for music and performing arts enthusiasts. Let's explore some interesting stories, examples, and the top 12 attractions in Portugal's music and performing arts scene that will ignite your passion for the arts. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Fado. Fado is a deeply emotive genre of music that originated in Portugal. It is often associated with feelings of longing, nostalgia, and saudades, a Portuguese word that encompasses a sense of yearning. Fado singers, known as fadistas, deliver soulful performances that tug at the heartstrings of listeners. 2. Lisbon's Music Street. Rua do Ouro in Lisbon is fondly known as Music Street, due to its historical association with music stores and instrument makers. It has been a hub for musicians and music lovers, where they gather to explore and celebrate their shared passion for music. 3. Festival da Canção. This annual music competition serves as Portugal's national selection for the Eurovision Song Contest. It showcases a wide range of musical styles and talents, fostering creativity and highlighting the country's musical diversity. Top 12 attractions of music and performing arts. 1. Casa da Música, Porto. This iconic concert hall is renowned for its modern architecture and hosts a diverse program of classical music, contemporary performances, and cultural events. 2. Teatro Nacional de São Carlos, Lisbon. The oldest opera house in Lisbon, presenting world-class opera and ballet performances in an exquisite setting. 3. Coliseu dos Recreios, Lisbon. A historic venue that hosts a variety of performances, including music concerts, theater shows, and comedy acts. 4. Gulbenkian Orchestra, Lisbon. Experience the exceptional performances of this renowned orchestra, known for its repertoire of classical and contemporary music. 5. Festival Internacional de Música de Espinho, a prestigious music festival that gathers talented musicians from around the world, showcasing classical, jazz, and world music. 6. Casa do Fado e da Guitarra Portuguesa, Lisbon. Immerse yourself in the world of fado at this museum, which showcases the history and evolution of this iconic Portuguese music genre. 7. CCB, Centro Cultural de Belém, Lisbon. A cultural complex that offers a wide range of artistic events, including music concerts, theater performances, and art exhibitions. 8. Festa do Avante, Seixal. A major cultural festival organized by the Portuguese Communist Party, featuring music concerts, theater, dance, and exhibitions. 9. Festival Músicas do Mundo, Signs. Celebrate world music at this vibrant festival, where musicians from different cultures come together to create a unique and diverse musical experience. 10. Festival Internacional de Música de Marvão. Set in the medieval town of Marvão, this festival showcases classical music performances in stunning historic venues. 11. Teatro Nacional de Maria II, Lisbon. Portugal's national theatre, offering a diverse repertoire of plays, performances, and theatrical productions. 12. Alcantara Festival, Lisbon. A contemporary performing arts festival that brings together national and international artists, featuring dance, theater, and interdisciplinary performances. Summarizing this writing, Portugal's music and performing arts scene is a vibrant tapestry of traditional melodies, enchanting performances, and captivating festivals. From the heartfelt expressions of fado to the world-class performances at Casa da Música and Teatro Nacional de São Carlos, Portugal offers a wealth of cultural experiences. Whether you're exploring the renowned venues, delving into the history of fado, or immersing yourself in the festive atmosphere of music festivals, Portugal's music and performing arts scene will leave you enthralled. Now, let's end this crash course on Portugal with a poem. In Portugal's embrace, music unfolds. Where fado's soul, in hearts takes hold. Lisbon's streets, alive with melody. Rua do Ouro's rhythm, a symphony. Casa da Música, Porto's grand stage. Teatro Nacional, Lisbon's operatic page. Coliseu dos Recreos, a historic charm. Gulbenkian Orchestra, music's warm arm. Espino's Festival, a global affair. Fado's Home, museum stories to share. CCB's cultural hub, art's diverse fusion. Festa do Avante, a vibrant infusion. Marvau's Melodies, in ancient walls. Teatro Nacional de Maria II, theater that enthralls. Signs World Music, a rhythmic delight. Alcantara Festival, performances take flight. Portugal's music and performing arts scene. A symphony of talent, where dreams convene. From traditional tunes to contemporary art, Portugal's artistic soul, forever in our heart. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.